Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to post traveling status on Facebook using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, search for facebook.com and log in your account. Okay? So now just go ahead and click here at the what's on your mind. And now click on the three little dots and click on Feeling/activity. Now click on Activities and you want to choose Traveling to. So now just go ahead and choose the place where you are going. I'm just going to choose Paris, France. And if you want other people to know where you where you are at, just go ahead and click on again at the three little dots and click on check in. Now just go ahead and choose the place where you are from. So now just go ahead and put any caption that you want and click on post. So that's it. That is how you post traveling status on Facebook. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.